Alright, we are here in the Dracula Parrot Duel. It's a big old double elim bracket. We're against Danko. Just make sure we got the right ID. Yep. And we won the toss, so we went first. Doesn't matter too much. Being a best of 3. Whole lot of forest. What are we gonna do with this one? Kinda want to keep this mockingbird. This Horfitch is just better. If I keep the mockingbird, I go like this, take the Willet double play, and then take stuff. Yeah, I think that's what we have to do here. Odds are not great for either of these. I think we take Zoologist. I just hope we find a mass lay at some point. But yeah, not really the starting hand you want to see. The question is whether or not we rush to take this Willet. I think we don't. At worst, we can just play the Mockingbird. I think we start with this. Barn Owls. Okay, so neither of us have really great draw. That's good to know. We take a random. Yeah, it's not very useful. We'll take the Willet. Eastern Whipbird. Interesting. I think this trumpeter finch is interesting. It's interesting enough to take. Carrion Crow. At least the Willet gives us some points off of that. Noisy Miner, hello. Okay, that's a game plan. Throw the miner up into the forest. I think maybe we try get Carrion Crow into the game. I think we might. We get a couple free seeds, so I think okay, what do I do here? So if I'm food carrion eggs, I think food carrion eggs is the play that at least gives us 2 for the end of the round. We're likely to win it anyway. Perfect. Red start, okay. It's a good find. So unless this is a stick nest, we should be okay. Could be though. Would you play? It is a stick nest. But that gives us an extra point on the Carrion Crow. I suppose Ash threaded and thingy was snappled up. Okay. I think this is a cards angle. Grackle. Is Grackle better than Noisy Miner? I think you might be. I guess problem is for good stuff, but who wants to be fucking cards away and we don't have very good card access. I think we draw one more time here. Okay. How many more times am I going to draw on this game? I'm really not sure. I think we pivot to the noisy miner because I need to get efficiency out of my tucks because I just don't have that many cards I want to tuck. Shipping sparrow. Okay. Yeah, obviously you picked that up. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna do food, miner, food. Maybe we put the miner here. So food, miner, food, prairie chicken, eggs. We're gonna put the grackle here and tuck these two. Kind of see it working. How much food do I have now? As long as you hit, we should be okay. Do we play this? No, we don't play this. We're gonna play the prairie chicken and the plains wanderer. We probably eggs, cards, probably. I think Mockingbird has to go. I think if we need to play this, then we play it. And I'm not thrilled about it. think you have to play it now. That American Crow is really nice, but we don't have space to play it. Would play it up here, down here. Yeah, I don't mind putting it in the wetlands actually. Well, you just have to take this. And do we take the Barn Swallow? I'm not convinced you are good enough. Those are both really good finds. Have we played both of these? I think we play the Brambling first. Then we play Plains Wanderer. Brambling, Plains Wanderer, eggs. Brambling. What's the nectar situation? We should probably be spending nectar in here. Wow. I might score off Bird Feeder. That's kind of trash though. One, two, three, four. We have five, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 5. Okay. Nice. Snow bunting. Okay, you're gonna get a little bit of value out of your snow bunting today. Get a little bit of food here. Maybe take a seed. And we don't cash it. Get more points on the carrion crow. We keep everything. Alright, that is good finds. Yeah, we don't play the magpie. Playing both of these gives us a couple of bonus points. Would just be food, play, eggs. So red start continues to pump value. Feeder is in a really bad place. I'm gonna get... I think I can spend the seed to reroll here. It's not what I wanted to see. Okay. And they found nectar. Unfortunate. We just need a really good reroll here. Three nectar. That's so disappointing. I think we need to roll at least 2 nectar here. Yeah. Well, I think we just spend this to reroll. We found 2 nectar. Hallelujah. Good. Yeah, we just play, lay eggs. That's the plan. We'll take it. This has been a super weird game. Alright, we need to have it on 9 birds. So if I take one of you, lay. That's 9 birds exactly. If I lay, oh, I can do. Yeah, I can get a couple of birds. Okay, should be fine. That was a big point play. Yeah, then we do 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's our 9 birds for Zoologist. Tuck. Should be able to get 2 tucks on 2 caches on the Magpie Robin. There's 2, 2, 2, another 6 points in the heels. It's been a rough day, rough game. Where does these 2 nectars go? Probably down here. Fortunately, gonna win the end of round, but that is what it is. If to tie, interesting. Aha! Do you really want to use your snow bunting tuck now? I think they skipped it. Alright, just hit 9 on Neurologist. And we can cache all of that. Roll these. Cache them both and take 2 more there. They play the Ibis, okay. It's a very impressive looking board. I think they've done better than I have. I mean, we did some creative stuff, but I'm not sure we did anything like that was super impactful. Yeah, they have much better. Oh, hello. Well, we actually made that work. I kind of can't believe it. Really awkward game. Really awkward game. Ethologist, really nice Ethologist. Yeah, I don't know, that was just doing something with what we had. Like, we just didn't have the draw power to make use of the grasslands, but yeah, we made a couple good decisions here and there, maxed out a couple bonus cards, and that was kind of the difference. So weird game, but we'll take the win.